Good morning, students. Welcome to your social science class. Students, today again we will continue the same topic, city planning of Indus Valley Civilization. So yesterday, students, we have studied that during Indus Valley Civilization, the cities were mainly divided into two parts, citadel and lower town. Citadel were the place where the ruling class, priests and the rich people were living, whereas lower town was the place where the common people were living. So students, let's continue our topic. The citadel also had large structure of granary. Students, granary simply means granaries were built generally to store or to keep surplus food grain. As you all know, students, that by agriculture, whatever we are producing, that is for the whole year, but we need to save it. So that's why we built granary. So the citadel also had large structures of granary. Granaries have been found at Harappa, students. Harappa, in these places, Harappa, Lothal and Kalibangan. So in these places, during excavation, we found some structures of granary. They were built to store the surplus grain. See students, it's written here. Granaries were built to store the surplus food grain. In Harappa alone, 6 granaries have been found, though the biggest one has been found in Mohenjo-daro. So students, you must remember that the biggest granary were found in Mohenjo-daro. Most granaries also had small barracks for the laborers, which were located close to the threshing platform. So nearby granaries, there were barracks. Barracks means the place of living for the laborers. The elaborate drainage system was highly efficient to drain the dirty water out of the city. So students, as already I have told you all, that the cities of Indus Valley Civilization, they have a very good drainage system, means the dirty water of the city was easily moving out from the city. They were covered with bricks and stones which could be removed. The small drains of bathrooms and kitchens were joined with the main drains, which in turn fell into the big drain of the city. So students, you can just see that there is a clean, very clean system of drainage, even for the bathroom and kitchen. Even for the bathroom and kitchen water, also these water were linked with the big drainage system of the city. Occupations. Now students, after studying about the city planning, we are moving our new topic, that is occupations during Indus Valley Civilization. Occupations, the main occupations of people of Indus Valley Civilization were farming, weaving, pottery, toy making, metal work and trading. So the main occupation was farming, means they are also busy in agriculture activity, and they were also doing trading activity, means buying and selling of goods. The annual floods in Indus renewed and enriched soil for good harvests of cotton, wheat and barley. Students, as I have told you in our previous class, that the Indus Valley Civilization were flourished during the banks of river Indus, means the cities of Indus Valley Civilization were situated at the sides of river Indus. So that's why it's very common to come flood in these cities. So whenever the flood came, the soil were renewed and it was very good for harvesting of cotton, wheat and barley. The farmers were aware of the different methods of irrigation. So this again shows that it was a developed civilization, because the farmers were very much aware about the different methods of irrigation. Traces of canals have been found in some of the sites of Harappa. So students, nearby Harappa, we have found some traces of canals. You can just imagine that 5,000 years ago, it was a very, very developed civilization. Other resources were water reservoirs, wells, etc. So the other resources or sources for the irrigation were wells and ponds. The farmers used plugs, sickles, etc. Means these are the equipments used by farmers for farming. The cultivation of cotton encouraged textile industry, and the people became expert in the art of spinning and weaving. So students, as the cotton were mainly grown by the people of Indus Valley Civilization, so that's why due to enough supply of cotton, textile industry were flourished during Indus Valley Civilization, and the people were very much expert in the art of spinning and weaving of cotton. The people domesticated a large number of animals like ox, buffalo, goat, sheep, pig and camel. Pottery was also a popular industry. Pottery means making pots. The pots were baked, glazed and decorated. Students, the pots were baked, glazed and they were trying to decorate the pots. The people of, students, let's move. The people of Indus Valley were also expert in making terracotta toys. Terracotta means, students, reddish brown toys. Reddish and brown color toys are known as terracotta, and sculptures of animals. They were also very much expert in making sculptures of animals. But the greatest artistic skill is found in the seals. So during the trade of Indus Valley Civilization, the people, those who were related with trading, trading means buying and selling of goods, they are using some seal stamps. The engravings of animals, flowers and other symbols on seals have artistic and religious importance. So during excavation of various places of Indus Valley Civilization, students, we found that several seals were there. Several seals they were using, and in these seals generally the symbols of various animals and flowers were there, which shows that the people have some religious importance for their seals. Let's continue. Many bronze tools and statues have been discovered. They indicate the mastery of the artisans in bronze casting. So in the places of Indus Valley Civilization during excavation, archaeologists found various bronze tools and statues, which shows that the people of Indus Valley Civilization were expert in bronze casting. You can see, students, yogi picture is there. Again, bronze statue of a dancing girl. You can see, students, bronze statue of a dancing girl. So these were the mainly activities where the people were engaged. And then, so students, thank you for today class. That's all for today. We will continue the same topic in our next class. Thank you.